Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you my thoughts, my experience, and my review of this combo na sumikat and nagtrending sa Facebook at some point. That post was actually sent to me by my sister and she told me to try it. And ipapakita ko dito sa screen yung post na yon, and I was intrigued if totoo ba talaga na ganun yung effect ng combo na to. This is the Nivea Extra White Radiant and Smooth na lotion, and this one is the Vaseline Gluta Hya Serum Burst Lotion in Dewy Radiance. Kasi there is actually two variants of this. May yellow and may pink, and sa post na yon, she is using exactly these two na items. So if you're interested to know if this is really effective, if this is really worth your money, then please keep on watching. Alright, so let's begin with this product. This is the Vaseline na Serum Burst Lotion. So, at first, I was like thinking na if dalawang products yung gagamitin mo, would it be very mainit sa skin, and if it is gonna be mabigat sa skin. Kasi diba may mga ganong lotion na sa sobrang thick ng consistency niya, paglagay mo pa lang, kahit isang layer lang, sobrang bigat na ng feeling at alam mo talagang nag-lotion ka. So I was really shocked when I saw this, when I actually tried it for the first time, kasi serum type lang talaga siya. By the way, this is only 330 ml. Malaki na siya, and I feel like this is very nice and worth it. Based sa experience ko. And totoong serum siya guys, kasi sobrang thin ng consistency niya at ang bilis talaga niyang ay, ang dami. Ang bilis talaga niyang mag-absorb sa skin. I swear. Like, akala, like ganito lang siya ng consistency niya. And ibilagay mo dito, I'm not sure if kita sa screen, but ganyan lang. Para siyang watery na sobrang bilis mag-dry. And that's what I like about this. And yung smell niya, sobrang bango. And hindi siya nakaka-bother na smell. Parang ano lang, parang siyang Vaseline na smell. If you have tried using Vaseline, alam mo na may signature smell sila na parang ganon. So ayun guys, ayun na. Nag-dry na siya, and hindi siya like parang nagsaslide yung ano mo. Parang nag-dry siya in a way na parang alam mong nag-stick talaga siya sa skin mo. And what I really like and what I've noticed about this product is that after mo siyang gamitin, grabe, yung effect niya guys, hindi ko ina-expect na ganun pala yung effect niya. I will be posting a photo. I will be putting the photo here sa legs ko na ginamit ko siya. I think that's already like more than a week nang ginamit ko. And nilagay ko siya sa legs to see the difference sa dalawa. Kasi sa arms ko, hindi ko masyadong nakikita yung difference. But sa legs, makikita nyo talaga sa photo na to, na on the right side, that is the legs na may Gluta Hya. Wala pang ganito guys ha, ito pa lang yung ginamit ko. And then sa left leg, wala yan. So makikita nyo talaga yung difference ng legs ko na may ganito. Like, hindi ko ina-expect na ganun pala ka-agad-agad yung result niya. And sobrang nakaka-glow talaga siya ng skin based on my experience. Kahit ito na nga lang yung gamitin. Kasi diba syempre maliit to. So parang if etong dalawa pinagsabay mo, mauuna talagang mauubos si Nivea. So if ever ganito, I think 1:2 siya. Like 1 Vaseline and then 2 Nivea. Kasi sobrang ano din ito, yung consistency na to, makita nyo later. I'll be showing it to you sa screen. Sobrang ano niya, light lang din niya. So I love this combo talaga. I'm really glad that I tried this trending na skincare, and the truth is, this is actually these two are my second bottles na nag-repurchase ako for the reason na effective siya sa akin, for the reason na I could really see the difference, and hindi siya ganun kabigat. Kasi ayoko talaga ng ganun, especially ngayon na summer and sobrang init ang panahon. Nakaka-dare pa rin ako maglagay ng lotion, especially this one. Kasi ganun nga siya ka-lightweight. And I feel like nag-glow talaga yung skin ko afterwards. So nakikita nyo naman sa photo, nakikita nyo naman talaga yung difference ng product na to. So, this one pala, I got this sa Lazada. Nung nakita ko yung post na yun, lahat ng mga link na nilagay doon is sold out. Ito. Hindi ko alam na meron palang nagbebenta dito sa Watsons here sa Cebu. And I was really, parang nung time na yun, hindi pa ako lumalabas masyado. So, hindi ko alam na meron palang product sa Watsons. So, naghanap talaga ako ng shop sa Lazada na nagbebenta nito. And yung nabilhan ko is medyo pricey siya compared sa iba at compared sa binigay na link sa post na yun. Pero pinush ko pa din because gusto ko talagang matry agad. So this one pala, nabili ko siya first, 499 sa Lazada. Pero sa Watsons, guys, this is only 450 pesos. And I would say, I know it's kinda pricey if you're used to buying lotions na mas cheaper pa dito. But I would say na if may gusto talaga kayong, if gusto nyo talaga makita agad yung difference, I would really highly suggest buying this one kasi worth it siya. And for the price and for the size na 330 ml, na sobrang lightweight and very, like, a little goes a long way siya na pagka-product. Kasi alam mo yung pag serum, pag nilagay mo sa kamay mo, like parang konti lang na drops yung nilagay mo, pwede na siya sa whole face mo. So, ganun din siya. Sobrang konti lang yung ginagamit ko and then, nasa spread out talaga siya sa arms, sa legs mo agad-agad. Sa ganung product lang. So, yes. Yan yung masasabi ko for this. And also, hindi ko pa na-try yung yellow, pero parang wala na akong plan mag-try kasi ito na talaga yung, for me, this is my new holy grail na skincare na lotion na gagamitin ko talaga for a long time. Yung video ko na nagsasabi ako top 3 best lotion ko, parang eto na yung top 1 ko, number 2 na lang si Skin So Soft ng Avon. Because I feel like ito talaga yung legit na maganda. Yung maganda talaga yung hindi mabigat. And then I will talk more about the ingredients and what this product can do based on the packaging itself. It says here, boosted with Gluta Glow technology, which is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. Vaseline also helps to reduce the causes of dull skin, which is really, really true. Nag-glow talaga yung skin ko na wala yung pagka-dull ng skin ko. And it also has Hyaluron Boost Skin's moisture for dewy skin. 10 times active niacinamide to boost skin's natural radiance. And the Vaseline Jelly locks moisture deep within, restoring the skin's natural balance. Non-sticky formula and clinically proven, which is really, really true. Everything's true. I love niacinamide. May niacinamide pala to, which is sobrang ganda na ingredient for a serum na lotion. Again, so let's proceed with the next one. This one is the Nivea Extra White Radiant and Smooth na lotion. I just want to say that this lotion, hindi ko binili dito sa Pinas. In-order ko to sa Thailand because etong variant ng Nivea is wala pala dito sa Philippines. Iba yung itsura ng extra white ng Nivea dito kasi hinanap ko talaga ito sa grocery, guys. And wala akong nakita so far. So if you know a place na grocery or Watsons na branches na may radiant and smooth, then please let me know sa comment section kasi in-order ko pa talaga to sa Shopee sa Thailand. So it says here sa Shopee account nila na this is the Nivea Extract White Radiant and Smooth, enriched with your Camu Camu extract containing 40 times higher vitamin C than lemon for bright skin, so it is not easily dull and dark despite frequent sun exposure. Hydra IQ technology restores and supplements lost moisture by giving your skin 24-hour moisture. So this one pala is Nivea Extra White Radiant and Smooth, formerly named as Nivea White and Repair. Alright, so I feel like this one is White and Repair dito sa Pinas, and sa Thailand this one is the Radiant and Smooth. I'm not really sure kung ganon, but yun na nga yung sinabi dito. And also it has double UV protection and deep white essence sa lotion na to. And hindi ko na talaga maintindihan yung nandito sa likod and wala na akong share na iba. But I feel like this lotion is really, really perfect na i-combine sa serum na to because both of them are lightweight and they complement each other. So nakikita ko kasi na sobrang naging effective siya for me. And makikita nyo talagang difference sa sa photos ko before, yung legs ko talaga, nagsha-shine talaga siya. And mind you guys, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakainom ng anything pampaputi or na capsules or anything na supplements na nagpapaputi. Kasi mas piniprefer ko na ngayon invest in herbal supplements and vitamins kasi yun naman talaga yung importante nowadays, especially na hindi pa tapos yung COVID, so mas yung budget mo na pupunta doon sa mga supplements na yun. So hindi na ako nakakainom ng mga pampaputi, pampaganda na mga supplements. So ayun guys, this is what it looks like. Hindi ko alam if nakikita talaga sa camera, but ganyan siya. Sobrang lightweight din. Very easy to apply and sobrang nag-glide lang sa skin mo. And ang bango niya. Ayan. Nag-dry na siya agad guys. Konting ganun lang. Nag-dry na siya agad sa skin ko. Hindi siya sticky. Hindi siya mabigat. Kahit dalawang layer na may Vaseline, may Nivea ka nang nilagay, hindi siya mabigat. Hindi siya sticky. So, ayan. Gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. I feel like perfect na perfect to and very effective to na product. Hindi ko pa naman talaga siya na-try na siya lang mag-isa kasi always ako may ganito kasi nga, like I said, mas malaki siya, mas tumatagal siya. So, before to nauubos, ubos na to. So, ayan. So, this one pala, I got this sa Shopee for 220 pesos but that was a discounted price ng time na yun. When I checked right now sa shop na yun, this one is already 246 pesos. But it's not bad naman for the price. And mind you, matagal tong dumating. So if bibili kayo, I suggest na bumili kayo ng madami-dami para hindi sayang yung shipping and para hindi kayo laging nag-order if maubusan kayo. Kasi syempre, madali itong maubos, 100 ml lang. Madali talaga siya maubos guys. I think may mga 3 weeks to 1 month if 2 times kayong gumamit na to, I feel like weeks lang talaga yung tatagal nito if whole body nyo yung lalagyan nyo. Alright, so that's it for my review sa dalawang products na to. I hope you guys learned something from this video and I hope na if ever magta-try kayo nito, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Javier. And I really hope na matry nyo to guys kasi life-changing siya, maganda siya na product, effective at hindi masasayang yung pera nyo with these 2 products. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys on my next vlog.